Hello everyone, welcome back to the Practically Blind Workshop. What I wanted to do today is I just wanted to show you this haul of wood that was found in skips. So all of this wood that you see in front of me was free. And what I'll do is I'll get you over for a closer look and I'll show you all the individual pieces. Oh, and I should probably mention, don't just be climbing in people's skips. Don't forget to knock on the door and ask first. Right, first what we've got is this really nice clean piece of 4x4. It's about 500mm long and it's really dense and heavy, so I don't think it is a hardwood, but it is a nice piece of wood. And I was thinking possibly a vase or a candle stand out of that. And then next we've got just a offcut of plywood, always handy to have. Looks like 12mm, about 2 foot long by a foot wide, 60 centimeters by 30 centimeters roughly. Then we've got this piece that looks like an offcut from a fire door. It's really heavy, really chunky. It's about 2 inches for 50mm thick roughly. Again, about 2 foot 60 centimeters long, about 8 inches wide, 200mm wide, and it's sort of laminated bits of 2x2 or however they make fire doors. But yeah, it's really heavy. Next we've got this really clean piece of pine, which looks to be about 1 inch 28mm thick, about 3.5 foot long, and about 6 inches wide, 150mm wide. Already planed and squared, really nice and clean. Oops. And then we've got a little offcut of 1x4, about 2.5 foot long, between 60 and 70 centimeters long, about 3 inches to 4 inches wide, and about 19mm or 3/4 of an inch thick. And then we've got this piece of pine tongue and groove with the tongues and grooves all smashed up, but that can be cleaned up. About 4 foot long, 3/4 of an inch 3/4 of an inch thick. Again, about 19mm thick, 1.2 meters long, about 6 inches, 150mm wide. Again, really nice and clean, apart from the smashed up tongues and grooves. And we've got another piece of ply, which is a bit bent. I don't know if you can see that, but always useful. 18mm, 4 foot long, 120 centimeters, 3/4 of an inch thick. Again, about 8 inches wide, 200mm wide. So yeah, all that free in a skip or a couple of skips. So yeah, I've already got an idea for this piece. Like I said earlier, I was thinking a vase or a candle stand. But if you've got any ideas for the other pieces that you want to see me make, write it down in the comments. Other than that, that's it. I think just to reiterate, don't be taking things without permission, and please like and subscribe. Really helps the channel grow. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.